guys, welcome today to my channel. So guys, in today's video I thought I would go over my favorite kind of like spring summer bags that I absolutely love to wear during this period, and I thought I would pick 5 of my favorite ones, and I'm going to go through them and tell you guys why I love these bags so much during these times. I always feel like when the weather changes or we have like a new season, I gravitate towards different bags, and I know so many of us do that. So let me know in the comment box down below which are your favorite bags and how you switch from more the colder seasons to the warmer season like we're starting now. And the weather is absolutely amazing, so it kind of like inspires me to sit down and talk about this. So let's just hop on, and I'm going to start with I think like my absolute maybe favorite type of like vacation bag, or the bag that I tend to wear like the most because it's so slouchy. It gives me like a very secure, safe feeling, and I know I talked about this a lot I think in other videos before, but I'm talking about the Loewe. You guys are going to kill me because I am saying it absolutely wrong, but I think it's Loewe because it's Spanish. Loewe. You guys absolutely killed me the last time because I was so excited, and I think I pronounced it Loewe or something like that. So I hope that this time you guys, I'll get it right. So it's Loewe, the flamenco bag, and I absolutely adore this bag because, as I said, like it's a very slouchy bag. It comes with a crossbody, and so it's very easy to kind of like wear with everyday outfits. It's black, so I feel like I can like put it like through a lot and you won't see like anything. I have it now I think for over 2 years or so, and you can see like it still looks amazing, it still looks great. And recently I bought this chain from Loewe as well to kind of like give it like an update, to make it a little bit more chic and also more versatile, to wear it even like during the night or with a little bit of a chicer outfit or something like that. So I'm very happy about it, and I feel like this is also the reason that I absolutely love this bag. I think it's also because it's a bag that I don't need to baby, and so when it's summertime I rather just love to just go on picnics, you know, go out with the kids, and I just don't want to be ultra careful with my bags. So yeah, the Loewe Flamingo bag, I think it's a lovely bag. It's so good for so many outfits. You have them in different colors, and I think they have like really beautiful summery colors at this moment. But for me, I'll go with black and I stick with this one. So yeah, this is like my number 5. I'm going like to 5 to my ultimate favorite one. So this is like number 5 on the list. So moving on to number 4 on this list is going to be my Celine Triumph bag. So I love this bag for so many different reasons because, one, it is very elegant, it's very versatile. I had it for a couple of years right now, and you can still see, as with the Loewe bag, it's just like in pristine condition. The leather just doesn't scratch or tear or, you know, get as ugly or anything. So it's really beautiful. Also the clasp, even though I've worn it like so many times, you can see like there aren't like even like so many scratches on it. So it's in really beautiful condition. I also love the fact that a lot goes within this bag, and so a lot of things like my essential, everything that I need will fit in this bag. And that is like one thing that I just love to have like with me. Like if I'm carrying a bag, especially in the summertime, I like to carry like everything with me. So depending on how much you carry with you, this Triumph bag will work or will not work for you. But for me, I definitely love it, and it is so easy. Again, you have the crossbody here, and that is something that you'll see maybe on most of the bags that I have, because for some reason I like having crossbody bags during the summer. I feel like it's just gives you so much more freedom, and especially like when it's hot, I just don't want to carry a lot like in my arms and hands. So having a bag that is crossbody just works like perfectly for me. And it is a bag that is so easy to go in and out, and it fits, like I said, like so many things. I do have like a bag insert that goes in it. But overall, it's such a good bag because, again, it's very versatile, it's classic, it's chic. So that might be like number two, that it fits like a lot. And then number three, that it's so classic, it's so beautiful. And again, with the black, black might not be like the perfect color for summer, spring. But I feel like, though maybe at night times or like when I'm wearing like certain type of outfits, I just gravitate towards black bags in spring, summer. However, if you're not a fan of dark colors in the summer, they have like a variation of colors from the Celine Triumph bags. So there are like a lot of choices, but I'm always going like with a safe choice that I can switch up between winter and summer. So that's just me. So the next bag, and this is going to be my number three, the favorite, is going to be my Hermes. So I absolutely love this Hermes bag. It is so great, and I love it because it's so spacious compared to like all the other bags that I'm going to show you guys. But whenever I feel like in the summer, like I need to take a little bit more with me, or, you know, I want to take my camera with me, I want to take my water bottle or something else with me, I will just take this bag. It's an amazing bag. And this is a bag that, like, at first I didn't like the aesthetic of it. I thought like it was a little bit bulky, a little bit strange. I know, like, it had to kind of like grow on me. That is something that is definitely for sure. But now that I have it, it is one that of the bags that I gravitate towards it like the most. Like the Picotin is literally like, I feel like you like it or you don't, but this one has really grown on me. I love the Picotin bag, and it's kind of like one of my favorites. Just to, like I said, like whenever I need to like take a lot with me, this is the bag that I go for. And especially also that the leather is so good. So another thing that I don't need to baby, and that just gives me less bag anxiety. So that's a great thing. The only thing that I don't like about the Picotin is that the inside is from suede. So this kinds of like wears like a lot. So in the end, it won't be like as beautiful as before. You know, when you wear like suede a lot, it's just, it's difficult to clean compared to like other bags. So that is something that I have to say. So I do like also have a bag insert for this one, but it's still not as pretty as when I bought it like at first. So that is something that you really need to keep in mind. But otherwise, it's like a great bag to just chuck a lot of things in it and take with you. So this is definitely one of my favorite summer bags, and just like bag to take a lot with me. So definitely on my third. So my number two on this list is going to be a bag that I love, especially because it's like such a good bag color-wise. And I don't have any other bag that is in this color. And I'm talking about my mini Dior. I absolutely love this bag, and I absolutely adore it for the color, for the summer, spring, summer. It just gives me like such a good vibe. And I need to remove this. I always can like remove it when I wear it and then I put it back. But I had like for a really long time right now, and I just adore it. It's again in such good condition. I think the Dior bag is a great bag, absolutely. I do have like the Lady Dior like in regular size, but this one I feel like for a more funky summery bag is just like my fave. And also I like this cross body chain that the mini Dior has. I think it gives like just a little bit more sparkle in the summer, and I feel like whenever like the sun is shining and you have like a little bit more sparkle on you, it just like gives an extra glow. So I think for the aesthetic reason, this is such a good bag for the summer. However, it doesn't fit my iPhone in it. I have like the biggest iPhone, the iPhone Pro Max, and it's just a pain in the ass when it comes to fitting in my iPhone in it. So you can see like it just doesn't work. If I can fit it like sidewise. Like I actually haven't tried that before, but you can fit it sidewise. But it's just like barely kind of like in it, and then you don't have like a lot of space for a lot of your essentials. So if you just kind of like take like a card holder or something with you and maybe your keys, that's it. But this is like not a bag that you can take like a whole lot with you. However, it's a very cute bag and I absolutely adore it. And I feel like Dior has like the best kind of like sparkling bags and beautiful like cute bags. So that is definitely something that you need to keep in mind for the summer. So now you guys, my number one bag for the summer has to be, and I would actually need like a drum roll for this, but I don't have it. So I'm going to say it is the Constance 18 from Hermes. I absolutely adore this bag so much. And it's not like that I love this bag like more than my Birkin or anything. I think I love them like equally, but I feel like whenever it's like the sun is shining and I like have a good outfit on or something like that, I feel like the cross body effect of the Hermes Constance is like so good. I just feel like more secure with the Constance than maybe with the Birkin. And I'm like, if that is it, but I just love this bag so much. And I think it's like similar to the Celine in the way that they're like boxy and they fit kind of like a lot in it. But I feel like even like the Constance fits a little bit more because it's kind of like has like this harmonica kind of like in and out. You can push it. Like it has like space. It's very spacious even though it's very small. So that is something that I really love about this bag. And then again, the leather is amazing. I don't need to baby it. I don't need to worry about it. It just like feels good whenever I have this bag on. And I have this bag like since January this year, and I've worn it like so much. I've worn it more than my Birkin, I think, definitely, I would guess, or like maybe equally. But I feel like, as I said, like during the summer, during these months, I love the lighter color that I have in the Constance, and it goes like with everything. And I feel like so secure in it. It holds like so much. So this is absolutely my favorite spring summer bag. And I would never ever would have guessed that this would be like my most favorite summer spring bag up until now. I will not know like until like maybe I have like a mini Kelly or a Kelly to kind of like compare it with. But for the wear and the versatility of it, just like for everything, this one feels right now like top one, like my favorite. So you guys, this is my list and I hope that you guys like them. Let me know in the comment box down below which one is your fave. But as I said at the beginning of the video, also let me know which bag you use the most during spring, summer. For now, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next one.